Hi, I'm Win, Director of Remax CondoDee.
Hi, I'm Harrison. I'm from Remax CondoDee.
Harrison worked with us already
For almost 1 year.
Okay. So today we meet with Harrison in BTS
We're at BTS Phrom Phong.
Phrom Phong. Okay. Because some of our customers watching videos with recent new projects, they want to see if there is an option in this area, in Phrom Phong area, where they can buy units of larger size, maybe with large balcony. In new projects, we don't have it so much. So what do you recommend?
So in this area, I would recommend the Madison. The Madison is only around 120 meters away from the BTS Phrom Phong or M Quartier. It's about 3 minutes walk away.
Okay, so can we walk now?
Yes, but before we go, can you please click subscribe, click the like button, and please leave us a comment down below.
And if you want to contact me or Harrison, our contact details where? Where is it?
Up here.
Yeah, okay. If you
Let's go.
Harrison, so what is so special in this condominium, the Madison?
So this condo is really rare condo because it's right next to the BTS. We only walk 3 minutes to get here, and this condo has around just over 100 units. And
How many floors? 36?
36 floors.
36 floor, only 150 means all units supposed to be big.
Yeah, so here units they start at around 3 bedrooms start around 170 square meters up to 220 square meters.
Okay, and what about prices? As I remember, this condominium keep a good prices in general.
Yeah, so this condominium, the market price, the average for Bangkok is above 70 to 80%.
70 to 80 above the average in Bangkok
Yes.
for sale, and for rent,
For rent, around 33,
25 to 30%.
25 to 30%. Yes.
Oh, so this, and when it was when it was constructed?
This was built in 2007.
Okay, so this is a condo of 14 years old with bigger unit, and they keep a good price. Okay, can you show us some units that you have, some special units?
Yes, let's go take a look.
Let's go take a look.